at Limassol so we are going to be promoting animal welfare with people at the zoo, and also you get a chance to see some lovely animals as well. This is my team, and they've got the pictures, yes, and we're ready to promote animal welfare. Give us a big yes. This is taken from, but the coffee is produced worldwide, so we also want to stop the production of this. Okay. We are called Teaching with a Difference. We promote animal welfare, and I'm a special needs teacher. Also, I work with the RSPCA Education Department. Do you know the RSPCA Education? RSPCA is Royal Society for Prevention for Cruelty to Animals. We have a program for children yourself. We have lots of printables that you can print off here. Animal tracks, games they can do, promoting beautiful stories as well, poetry.
Do you have books or
I will tell you. And then we also have fantastic masks you can print out. I will give you a card and everything is on there. It's all for free. We have downloaded everything, so all you need to do is print it out.
Where you can be found?
Here, this is where I can be found. Facebook.com promotes changes, and also this is the group. All the printables are on here. Also the pictures are. What we're asking people to do is download one picture and stick it up somewhere. Anywhere. If everybody puts one picture in Cyprus, there will be everywhere. As you can see here, and we also have something amazing photocopyable masks. All I want to do is give you a card. This is the Facebook page where all the printables are free. You can just download them. Any information you want is on there. Okay, and this is the group. We have 4,000. The other side, they clean it, wash it, and then they make coffee. Charge $60 for one cup. It's awful. This is our material. What we are doing is we have a program with the RSPCA, with printables here. So you can print the material here. And here we have masks. It's absolutely amazing. All we ask you to do is, all the material is on this Facebook page here. This is my page. This is our group. Join us, promote animal welfare.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.